What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox and check 3-inch woofer that's from Sweeton, and it's a Kolkata based brand. So they make very good quality speakers nowadays, and they have all kind of speakers from 3-inch to 12-inch or 15-inch woofer speakers, subwoofers, and all the stuff. So here you can see that subwoofer 4 ohms 20 watt. That's a peak power, and that's not actually a subwoofer, that's a woofer, a good quality woofer. So the 3-inch woofers comes in a pack just like this. It's not a single pack, it's a pack of 4. So quickly just open this thing. Here you can see 4 woofers are there, 1 2 3 4. So that's how they pack, and it's a good thing to reduce the price. This thing cost me like 70 rupees each, so total 4 of them will cost 280 rupees. That's a very small amount for good quality speakers. So let's take one out of the box, and the packet is completely sealed, you can see. So let's open this thing. And that's the woofer itself, and the surround is foam surround, and the finishing is quite good. No bend on any side, and no, what to say, any mistake on the finishing on any side or with anything like we found in local speakers, like I have found in many speakers before. So this is a very good one. They concentrate on the quality, so that's why. That's the magnet. It's a small kind of magnet, but good enough for a 3-inch woofer. So that's it. Now let me take all of them out of the box. So I have all these 4 woofers. I have bought this for my mini tower speakers. I'm going to change them all. So there they are. Now I'm going to try with any one of them to test how it works connected to a flat amplifier, and then I'm going to check the sound and bass, treble, and also how much frequency it can handle. So let's do that. Alright, so that's the amplifier, a flat 2.1, and I've connected this. So as they're all same, so I'm going to check just one, and so we can understand the sound quality and all. So let's start. So as the sound is very clear, the punchy bass, and as this is the open free air testing, if I put it into a good enclosure, then the sound would be much better and better bass. So here the sound is a very clear, crispy sound and punchy bass. So as that's the 2.1 amplifier, so I'm gonna check the subwoofer also. Let's see how it works as a subwoofer. So I'm gonna use another speaker, and I'm gonna connect just like this. Now let's check the bass. So these are the very good speaker from Sweeton, a very reputed brand in Kolkata. So in next video I'm gonna put them in the enclosure, nice mini tower speakers, and then gonna check the final output how it is. So that's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.